Welcome to Tiger Tutorials. Today I'm going to go over how to see comments that you've made on YouTube. Just as a little bit of a background, YouTube currently does not offer any feature for you to be able to see the history of comments that you've made on other people's channels and or your own, or video pages. So that's a bit of a dilemma if you want to see what you've posted, and maybe if you want to remove those items in case they contain things that you don't want people to know about you, or you posted something that might have been stupid to post. Anyways, so the way you can search for your comments you've made is this advanced Google query that I've kind of developed. So basically what you do is you just type in site youtube.com and you type in quotations. Okay, so first of all, site right here specifies the site that you want to search in. So it specifies the exact site, youtube.com. I don't want to look at any other sites. Then the quotations are for searching for items that contain only this text. So it has to be the Tiger Tutorials. It has to contain that. It can't contain Tiger, can't contain tutorials. It has to contain this entire string here. So if it were like a compound word like Tiger Tutorials, for example, it wouldn't contain tutorials. I think I've already made that pretty clear. But the thing that I put down specifies that we want to match exact text. Yeah, so I think I have that there. And then in URL, you want to put all comments. And all comments tells Google that you want to search in youtube.com with a URL that contains all comments. And all comments is the script that shows all the comments made for a video. So this is kind of a workaround. YouTube disabled their ability to see comments that you've posted. It used to be you could just use a comment script, but they disabled that. So what it's going to do, run the query. You can see I have about 250 results. If I got rid of this in URL, there was a tutorial done recently by some person who didn't quite define their thing, and this is about 3,000 results, and you can see that I get, for my YouTube channel, I get some other stuff here, and this is not very helpful at all. If I add in URL all comments, then I get it down to about 250 results, and they're just exclusively comments. So as you can see here, I just have like a whole thread of comments that I can look through instead of looking through channels and such. Once again, just look through the comments here and you can find it. Another thing to help out is once you actually get to the page, you want to hit Control F for find and then type in your username if it's a bunch of comments. And then you can see the highlighted area, so that usually tells you what you have. So that's about the best way that I can find finding comments, other than recording what you've posted as you post, or doing exactly what I'm doing right now. There is no option, and the reason why I think YouTube disabled this ability is because of the server load that it takes to actually search through the index of all the comments. I think that's why, but they haven't offered any ability to do it. So here it is. Thank you very much. Please go to tigertutorials.com. By the way, this is on tigertutorials.com. If you go to tigertutorials.com/dreamweaver.php, !content equals Dreamweaver lessons, ID equals 8. And you can find this on here. You just go to Dreamweaver in HTML, click on how to see your comments on YouTube, right there. Thank you very much. Bye.